not sure, it's about 1,100 k's or miles, and about 3 hours north of Fiji. So that's the island, and these people have come to New Plymouth, and they've made this their home, and I think we're fortunate to have this talent here, and this is a first for New Plymouth, Taranaki, I'd say, so we have not seen this. I travel many times to Hawaii, and the Polynesian Culture Centre has this. You'll see it in Tahiti, but we've got it right here in New Plymouth. Give them a big hand, because they're wonderful. Just changing the music, sorry, that doesn't belong to this one.
Dia kira tewa ni kapurede Dia kira tewa ni kapurede Tenau korate kaini mendare Yetani mayana Dia kira tewa ni kapurede Tenau korate kaini mendare Yetani mayana Erodera kakapakite arope Rodira kakapakite arope
Wow, thank you, Candymeer. That's something new to try when you get out of the shower. I think that comes to the end of it. It's 20 to 10, so we have to close it down. Catherine, have you got a quick half-minute show or anything with the group? Okay, thank you, folks, and thank you, everyone, for coming along and having a listen. Give them a big hand. They really deserved it. Thank you. I hope you've enjoyed it. Have a safe trip home. Good night.
Okay, ladies and gentlemen, very well done to all concerned for the costumes and all of the like. It's a great effort. So if we can have a round of applause once again for Sounds of Aloha.